This is the story about the historical district of Mott Haven. In 1639 the first settler Jonas Bronk arrived to Mott Haven. He purchased the land from Native Americans in 1642. He built there as farmland. In 1670 Mott Haven was sold to the Morris family. In 1841 St. Anne's Episcopal Church was built by the son of Governor Morris. Governor Morris was buried in the historic graveyard at St. Anne's. In St. Anne's Church, construction there was a use of ironwork by Jordan Lawrence Mott. In 1849 Jordan Lawrence Mott purchased a part of Mott Haven land. He moved his manufacturing operation to a chosen location close to the Harlem River. In 1863 a construction of residential housing started in the eastern row of Alexander Avenue. In 1869 St. Jerome's Roman Catholic Church was built in the same row. Proposed in 1850 by Mott Haven founder Jordan L. Mott, Mott Haven Canal was carved out in the early 1870s. This man-made inlet of the Harlem River was used to transfer goods into warehouses. The canal was filled in 1937, and became a street called the Canal Place. In 1883 a construction of residential housing started in the western row of Alexander Avenue. In 1886 a train station was made, which passed through the Harlem River, to the right-of-way in South Bronx and northern Manhattan. As the population grew, more churches were built. By the early 20th century, the population density of the area supported the construction of many tenement-style apartment buildings. In 1905 the Mott Haven Public Library was built for the children and adults of the area. Fire station and police station were built in the same neoclassical style. In 1950, the public housing Lester Patterson houses were built and offered low rent for the public. This was the story about the historical district of Mott Haven. By analyzing the data through the recent 20 years, we can tell that in the area of Mott Haven, the precipitation rate usually keeps a moderate profile around 0.14. But New York City drainage system is never prepared for extremely heavy rain. The circulation will most likely be flooded when heavy precipitation occurs.